Hey, good morning, intermediate algebra students. All right, so this relating to linear context, relating to linear context to graph features. It's a 7-question and it does take a little thinking, so we're only having one today. So, Eppeline is mowing lawns for a summer job. For every mowing job, she charges an initial fee plus a constant fee for each hour of work. So far, they haven't told us anything. Her fee for a 5-hour job, for instance, is $42. So what they just did right there is they gave you a coordinate. After 5 hours, the cost is $42. Her fee for a 3-hour job is 28. Well, after 3 hours, it's 28. There's another coordinate point. They've given us 2 coordinate points. But why represent her fee in dollars for a single job that took X hours for her to complete? Which of the following information about the graph Which of the following information about the graph of the relationship is given? They did not give a slope. They did not give a slope. They did not give a slope. They didn't even give an x-intercept. They did not give a y-intercept. 2 points that are given that are not intercepts. That's what they gave us right there. So you just got to think about what did they give you each time and then pick out your points. All right, let's do one more example. A charity organization had a fundraiser where each ticket sold for a fixed price. After selling 200 tickets, they had a net profit of $1,200. So there's a point right there, and that point also tells you they're making money. So after selling tickets, they made money. So it's telling you that yes, it's a point, but it's also a line that's going up. And the more tickets they sell, the more money they make. They had to sell a few tickets to cover the necessary production costs of 1,200. So they're telling you where they started. They're telling you kind of the y-intercept was in a negative zone. At negative 1,200, they had to sell a few tickets to cover that. So this one did not start negative, but it did have a positive slope. This one did start negative, and it has a positive slope, so that's our answer. These two both have negative slopes, so they can't be right. Plus this one here started in the positive. That absolutely can't be right. So that's all you're doing. You're looking at the information they give you, then you line up the correct graph or the correct information that goes along with it. Hey, take your time. Of course, see me during office hours or just see me during class, and I'll help you through it. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.